Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of Tips by Home Tech. On this channel, we talk about all the things related to home remodeling, design, and construction. If you'd like to learn more, please consider subscribing. Today we're talking about a few tips to consider when remodeling your bathroom. Yes, the bathroom is where we handle our business, but it can also be considered the oasis of the home. It offers a momentary space of solitude where we can relax and unwind after a long day. Like any remodeling project, there is time and money to be invested. To make this process as trouble-free as possible, we've come up with a few tips and ideas to consider when remodeling your bathroom. So let's jump right in. Tip number 1, develop a bathroom layout. How much room do you have to work with? Will the toilet be placed right next to the shower, or is there room for it elsewhere? Having a general understanding of the size of your space can help you design a layout that creates form and function in your bathroom. Are you rearranging fixtures or leaving them where they are? Maybe the previous layout of your bathroom was poorly designed and you'd like to switch it up. It's also important to remember that rearranging plumbing fixtures and walls can quickly drive up the cost of your bathroom remodel. These are all questions to consider when developing the layout of your bathroom. Tip number 2, decide whether or not a bathtub is right for your bathroom. Nowadays, we see more people switching out their white porcelain tubs for a more modern walk-in shower. Switching out your bathtub for a shower can be more water efficient and can save you more room in your bathroom. On the other hand, if you're the kind of person who enjoys taking full advantage of the relaxation a bath can provide, then fitting it into your bathroom remodel will be a big yes. Luxury bathtubs are best in the master ensuite where you can soak in peace, away from anything else going on in the house. Tip number 3, think about the best materials to use in your bathroom. When choosing the materials to use in your remodel, it's important to choose ones that can endure the wear of everyday bathroom use. They need to be able to cope with big temperature changes, as well as significant humidity swings and water exposure. Bathrooms need to look attractive while also being easy to clean and can withstand harsh chemicals. Maybe you like the look of natural stone countertops. Although it may fit your aesthetic, it is not necessarily the best material to use in your bathroom. Quartz is a great alternative to natural stone in the bathroom because it's low maintenance and holds up well to harsh cleaning products. Our team at Home Tech Construction and Design have the knowledge and experience to help make this overall process easier for you. I hope these tips have helped you begin to think about your bathroom remodel. Stay tuned for the next video in the Tips by Home Tech series. Thanks again everyone, and make it a great day.